Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get the wise caterpillar in Blooket, a popular online game that allows players to collect unique and fun blooks. The wise caterpillar is one of the rarer blooks in the game, and many players want to know the best way to unlock it. Well, if you're looking for the steps to add this wise creature to your collection, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand how blooks work in Blooket. In Blooket, blooks are collectible characters that you can unlock through various means. You can earn blooks by playing different game modes or opening boxes. Each blook has its own rarity, with some being common, others rare, and a few being ultra-rare or legendary. Wise Caterpillar is considered a rare blook, so it won't be as easy to unlock as common blooks, but it's certainly achievable with the right strategy. Step 2. Play the right game modes. To increase your chances of unlocking the wise caterpillar, you need to focus on playing game modes that allow you to collect boxes or earn rewards. Some of the game modes that offer boxes or in-game rewards include Tower Defense, Golden Ticket, Cafe. The more you play these modes, the more rewards you'll gather, including the opportunity to unlock rare blooks like the wise caterpillar. Step 3. Open blook boxes. The most straightforward way to get the wise caterpillar in Blooket is by opening blook boxes. These boxes contain random blooks, and the higher the boxes cost, the better the chances of getting rare or epic blooks. Here's what you should do. Earn coins or tokens. To open blook boxes, you'll need coins or tokens, which you can earn by participating in game modes or completing challenges. Buy blook boxes. Go to the shop in Blooket and purchase the boxes using your coins or tokens. The more expensive boxes, such as the epic or legendary boxes, have a higher chance of giving you rare or ultra-rare blooks like the wise caterpillar. Keep opening boxes. Since blooks are randomized, you may have to open several boxes before you find the wise caterpillar. Keep grinding and purchasing boxes until you unlock it. Step 4. Participate in special events or challenges. Blooket occasionally runs special events or limited-time challenges where you can earn exclusive blooks, including rare ones like the wise caterpillar. Make sure to participate in these events, as they might increase your chances of unlocking this rare blook. Tip: follow Blooket on their social media platforms, join their Discord, or check their website for any upcoming events that could help you get rare blooks. Step 5. Trade with friends. If you're having trouble unlocking the wise caterpillar yourself, check if you can trade with friends. Some players may already have unlocked it, and trading blooks with friends can be an excellent way to complete your collection without the need for constant box opening. Tip: build a Blooket trading network or join a community where players can exchange blooks to help each other unlock rare ones. Step 6. Be patient and persistent. Finally, remember that unlocking rare blooks like the wise caterpillar takes time and patience. It's not guaranteed that you will get it on your first try, but with enough dedication, you'll eventually add the wise caterpillar to your collection. Tip: keep participating in game modes, opening boxes, and being active in Blooket, and you'll increase your chances of getting this rare blook. That's it for today's guide on how to get the wise caterpillar in Blooket. We hope these steps help you unlock this rare blook and add it to your collection. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Blooket tips and tricks. See you in the next video.